Hello and welcome, parents. Have you ever just stopped and wondered how your kid's favorite app seems to know exactly what they want to see next? Well, today we're going to pull back the curtain on the AI that makes it happen, a technology our kids are using every single day.
You know the moment I'm talking about, right? Your child finishes one video and boom, the next one queued up is so perfect it's almost spooky. How on earth does it do that?
Well, you guessed it, it's not actually magic. It's not reading their mind. It's a technology called predictive AI. And just getting a handle on how it works is honestly the most important first step we can take to guide our kids.
Okay, so let's break it down. What exactly is this AI that guesses? Let's see what's going on behind the scenes.
The easiest way to think about it is like a little digital detective. It's constantly looking for clues, all those digital footprints our kids leave behind. Every click, every video they watch, every like, it gathers all that evidence to make an educated guess about what they'll want to do next.
Now, here's where it gets really interesting. The difference between a guess from a person and a guess from an AI. See, a friend might suggest a totally new kind of movie because of a random conversation you had. But predictive AI, it can only look backward. Its goal isn't to surprise you with something new, it's to keep you watching by feeding you more of what it's already sure you like.
And listen, this isn't some sci-fi thing from the future. It's already woven into the fabric of your child's digital life. So let's take a look at where it's showing up.
This is probably the big one, the one we all see. That Up Next video on YouTube Kids? Yep. The shows Netflix thinks your family will love? That too. Even the playlist Spotify builds, it's all powered by predictive AI trying to guess what will keep you listening and watching.
And it's not just videos. It is all over the world of online gaming. It's suggesting new games to download, it's recommending items to buy inside the game, and it's even deciding which other players your child should be matched with. And of course, social media. The TikTok For You page might just be the most powerful example of this on the planet. It learns so fast what will keep your child scrolling. You see the same engine at work on Instagram's Explore page, and even with Snapchat's new AI features.
Okay, so it's everywhere, and its whole job is to serve up more of what our kids already enjoy. I mean, that sounds pretty helpful, right? So, what's the catch?
And this, right here, is the catch. This is the heart of it. Because the AI's main goal is to keep showing us what we already like, it can create something called a filter bubble. Think about it. If your child only ever gets shown videos about Minecraft, their digital world gets smaller and smaller. It can actually start to limit the exact kind of curiosity we're trying to build in them.
But here is the good news, and it's really good news. We are not powerless here, not even close. You have all the power to help your child navigate this. So let's get into your family toolkit.
We can boil this all down to 3 really simple, memorable steps. It's all about asking curious questions, exploring new things together, and making active choices instead of just passively going along with what the AI suggests.
This is such an amazing place to start. It's so simple. Next time you're sitting with them, just casually ask, "Hey, why do you think YouTube showed you that one?" Just asking helps them see the recommendations aren't random. It gets them to think like a detective, too.
Okay, now this one is just fun. You can literally turn this into a game, frame it like a challenge. Say, hey, let's go on a mission. Let's try to find something the app would never guess you'd want to watch. Suddenly you're a team, breaking out of that bubble together.
So really, the big takeaway here is that we're not trying to avoid this stuff. I mean, we can't. It's part of our world. The goal is just to help our kids become smarter users of it. And our job as parents is to be their co-pilot, their trusted guide on this whole digital journey.
And that kind of leaves us with this one big, important question to think about. Now that we know how these guessing machines work, how can we flip the script and use them as springboards to make our kids more curious, not less? How do we use them to launch our kids into amazing new worlds they never would have found on their own?